You're not bad at trading. You're just stuck in a cycle where emotion drives the entries and pain confirms the exits. Sound familiar? I'm not here to tell you what you want to hear. I'm here to tell you what works. If your account balance has been on a slow decline and you feel like quitting, I've been there. But what turned it around wasn't luck. It was structure. And today, I'm giving it to you. My experience in this field is 10 years. An intelligent robot helps me make informed decisions. The big advantage of this tool is its ability to work not only with basic currency pairs, but also with over-the-counter trading options. He has now issued me a recommendation. Higher. This is the Australian and American dollar OTC currency pair, 5 minutes. The market has now felt oversold. This should help the bulls catch new momentum at a time when sellers have reduced their volume and cannot recover quickly. I have seen on historical data areas of declining highs that preceded the oversold moment. Folks, important news. My Robot MaxBot for free and forever you can get within a month. Link in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, then write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Right now, you can click on the trial signals button in the main bot menu and try it out without registration from any trading account. Follow the link in the description and try out the trading bot today. To not miss new useful content, click on the subscribe to channel button and on the bell. Like and comment, your feedback is important to us. I'm also preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Before we talk strategies or tools, let's talk about the rule that keeps accounts alive. Risk 1 to 2% per trade. That's it. With a $100 account, that's $1 to $2 risked. With $1,000, it's $10 to $20. This isn't optional. This is your life jacket in a stormy sea. If you blow 30% on one bad trade, you're not learning, you're resetting. You can't build anything on top of financial chaos. Discipline is boring, but it's the only reason some traders last long enough to see the light. Every Kobe Bryant story you've heard, about 5 a.m. workouts, about shooting 1,000 shots before breakfast. It wasn't about talent, it was about reps, about doing the unglamorous stuff that leads to results. Trading's no different. The charts don't care about your motivation. They respect structure. That's your edge. I used to trade based on adrenaline. Wake up, scan a chart, this feels right, and boom, I'd be in. Sometimes I'd win. But most of the time, I'd stare at a loss thinking, how did I not see that coming? The breakthrough came when I slowed everything down. I capped risk at 2%. I stopped guessing. I used my signals assistant to validate setups. I documented trades like a scientist. That's when I saw growth, not just in my balance, but in my confidence. The big mistake most traders are addicted to the rush. They don't want structure, they want fireworks. They confuse movement with opportunity and believe every candle is trying to speak to them. But markets don't whisper secrets. They follow rules. Price moves because of liquidity, volume, sentiment, not vibes. If you're trading on emotion, you're reacting to the market. If you're trading with structure, you're preparing for it. So I've just safely completed my first trade. Now it's time for another one. Higher is a new signal from artificial intelligence. Buyers continue to act more confidently. I think that now we will see a long consolidation period within the corridor, after which the bulls will probably be able to break the resistance zone again and improve their positions, because their potential is higher than the bears. Guys, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. Again, I want to remind you that my team and I are here to help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I want to emphasize an important point. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Never risk more than 2% of your capital ever. Use 2 timeframes to validate. Trend on one, entry on the other. Wait for confirmation, volume, momentum, pattern. Run every setup through your Signals assistant before pulling the trigger. Log each trade, entry, reasoning, result, emotion. Review every week. This is where 90% of the learning happens. Let's talk about the Signals Assistant MaxBot. It doesn't promise profits. It doesn't make you money. It gives you clarity. It filters out the trash. It spots where confluence matters, where momentum aligns, where structure confirms. Think of it like Iron Man's suit. You still have to show up and fight, but the suit keeps you sharp, focused, and 10 steps ahead. 2 weeks ago, it flagged a signal on USD SHIF. Consolidation break, volume surge, trend continuation confirmed on 2 time frames. I risked $10 on a $1,000 account, closed with an $8 profit. Not a moonshot, just solid, structured execution. And I've done that over and over. Now here's the catch, this assistant is free right now, free forever, but only for the next 30 days. After that, it's subscription only. That's not pressure, that's clarity. If you want to build better trades with less guesswork, this is the window. If this hit you in the gut, hit like. Drop a comment, what's one rule that changed your trading forever? What do you use to confirm your trades? Subscribe if you're done chasing setups and ready to build systems. Link to get the assistant, it's in the description. Don't wait. I know people who quit their jobs not because they found the holy grail, but because they built repeatable systems and mastered discipline. They made peace with risk and took control. And yes, trading is risk, just like starting a company, just like investing in anything that matters. The setup's the same, the return changes with capital. So, scale smart. See you later.